We've got news about something delicious that's opening soon in Corona, California. So you're going to want to stay tuned to check this one out. Hi, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty, your go-to source for all things real estate and lifestyle in beautiful Corona, California and the surrounding areas. And today we have got some exciting news for you. Some unfortunate news is that in the Bedford Marketplace, we plug them a lot. There's tons of videos on our YouTube channel you can go check out between, Amazon's fresh grand opening or EOS Fitness, Starbucks, and much, much more. But we just did model home tours in Bedford. They're really, really, really beautiful homes, so you can definitely go check that out on our YouTube channel. They're by Tri Point Homes. It's called Sawyer, so you can look that up and check that out. It's great. And because we did that, we wanted to update you on some really cool things that are happening in Bedford, specifically a really delicious eatery that's coming and that we're so excited about. And like I was saying, unfortunately, Roll 'em Up Taquitos that used to be in this spot has closed, but and I think they have other locations throughout our general area. I know there was one on Main Street in Corona, so you can still look that up if that was something that you really, really, truly loved. But in their place is a really authentic, unique restaurant that has a little bit of everything. It's called Pablito's Tacos, and it's really, really interesting. So they have 3 other locations in Burbank, Van Nuys, and North Hollywood, NoHo. And they kind of took this, his name is Danny Rodriguez in 2018. Just a little bit of his backstory, which is so exciting. Stories are just, the root of everything. And so Danny Rodriguez in 2018 loved Tijuana. He loved Peruvian flavors and seasonings and just spices and everything. And so he kind of blended the two together to create Pablito's Tacos. And what he came up with is just amazing. So in different locations cook and create different fusions, it looks like. And so they have, when you go on their website, it shows that they have, and their food looks delicious from videos and whatnot. So you're definitely going to want to come check this out. So they have tacos, obviously, quesadillas, burritos, birria, and they have different things like that. But they also, some of their locations have smash burgers and pizza and rotisserie as well. So we're excited to see what they're going to do at this location, and everything looks very authentic and such a good twist on just your regular Mexican cuisine to add that Peruvian flair to it. So we're super excited about it opening and to give it a try. And we'll definitely do some more videos when we go in there to test everything out. But like I said, that should be opening pretty soon. It has a really nice outdoor patio, and we're just excited to really dive in. But the food looks authentic. There's rotisserie, there's grilling, there's all sorts of, just authentic flair with, like I said, the Peruvian twist. So we're super excited about that opening. If you want, go check out their website, Pablito's Tacos, and it gives you some videos. It tells you what the different locations offer. So really excited, love local businesses. Can't wait to meet the owners and managers and staff because they're what helps make our communities great. And then to add more eateries, more authentic foods with a twist. It's just really great to add those things. So we're super excited. And then if they do add things like smash burgers or pizza or rotisserie to this restaurant that'll just, make it more appealing and, more fun and more of a twist. So we're excited to bring you more information on that. We just wanted to let you know that Roll 'em Up Taquitos is no longer in the Bedford Marketplace, and we wish them, all the best in their future homes or where they're going to their, next journey. And we welcome Pablito's Tacos to that same space, which is across from Starbucks and right next to Schools First Credit Union. And then also there's a couple different things. There is like right next to me, there is a perfectly large rectangular space that's available in Bedford Marketplace, which can be, sky's the limit. It's kind of right next to Amazon Fresh is right to the left of me. And then Hampton Inn is right behind the strip mall. So it's kind of back behind things, but kind of right in the mix as well. And it has 2 doors and it's a really good space. So just how there's like not a lot of walls sticking out. It's like a really nice rectangular open space. So if you're interested in that out there, all you entrepreneurs or someone that has a business already that's looking to maybe land a brick and mortar or transfer their brick and mortar somewhere else, it looks like a really, really great space. And then right next to EOS and Quick Quack Car Wash and Starbucks, there is, we did a full video on these 3 restaurants that are coming, or eateries that are coming, and soon, by the end of 2025, maybe early 2026. And we did their menus and covered what they have, but there are 3 really great additions to this mall on top of Pablito's Tacos. We have Kiki's Cafe, which is kind of like a breakfast and lunch cafe. They have, vegan items, all different types of, food choices, and so many amazing looking dishes. We can't wait to try that. There also, Luna Grill is coming with like a Mediterranean flair, and they have a lot of different things for different dietary restrictions and needs as well. And then you have Ike's Lovin' Sandwiches, which is super exciting. And they already have, that building is already done. It looks like the outside is perfectly complete. They have doors, everything's moving right along. And then they also have their sign up. So Ike's is one of the first one to say, coming soon, possibly by the end of 2025. And we're really excited about that. You cannot, they offer a lot of things in the different malls like Dos Lagos, the Crossings, and Bedford, but we really need, with as many people that are moving in the area, we really need some really cool eateries and restaurants coming. We're gonna talk about some really great things that are coming to Dos Lagos and the Crossings as well, because unfortunately with COVID and different things that have happened with the pandemic, a lot of restaurants and retailers couldn't make it through that, and my heart goes out to you. I'm so sorry, but you know what? Keep your heads up. There's always more adventures, and if you have an entrepreneurial spirit, you're gonna just, prevail and continue on. But we've got some, some of those have unfortunately had to close, but we have some new things that are coming that are, starting a new journey, starting their new journey in our area as well. So we will keep you posted of all the new and upcoming things, and man, they are coming left and right. And that's exciting to people that are moving in the area, that are moving from California, like Sacramento or San Francisco or Orange County to our area. We're building up, many great things are coming, unique things are coming, which makes just, our community, they're doing the downtown renovation. So it's just making our community better and better every day. Such an amazing place to live, centrally located, top rated schools. I could just go on and on. I'm gonna do a video about, why live in Corona? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So make sure you go back to our channel to check that out. But yeah, so we've got so many eateries coming to Bedford. Like I said, welcome Pablito's Tacos, Kiki's, Ike's Lovin' Sandwiches and Luna Grill. And we will definitely keep you posted. And also, if you're staying here at the Hampton Inn, man, do you have a lot of great choices with it all within walking distance. So, and the new home build tour we did on YouTube, all of this is within walking distance as well. So we will keep you posted. If you haven't checked out our video about the Sawyer community by Tri-Point Homes in the Bedford community, please check that out on our YouTube channel. If you have any other topics or you know anything interesting that's happening in our area, please let us know. Put them in the comments below, and we'll try to create videos that you guys want to see, that you are interested in, you know, learning the information and being educated on, or just knowing what's going on. We'd love to cover that as well. We want you guys to be happy and feel like you're getting a lot of value. So if you could please like, subscribe, hit that bell. It helps us to create those videos that you want to see, that are helpful to people coming into our area that just want to learn more about what our amazing community has to offer. And we appreciate you as well every day, always, for coming on this journey with us. And if you want to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, you can at Vivid Lifestyle Realty, on our website at vividlifestylerealty.com, where you can create property searches and look at our blog posts, give me a message. Like I said, in this market with everything that's happening, please reach out, use us as a resource. Let us help you on your next journey, whether it's now or 5 years from now, or if you just have some questions on your mind that you need answered, let us know, and we try to do videos to answer those as well. And, you know, what a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful summer, and we'll see you on the next one.